Welcome to the delivery note screen in Infogate app. The delivery note number is automatically generated by the system. Select the customer code and customer name. If a quotation has already been created, you can convert its details into a delivery note by simply selecting the quotation number. You can also record PO number, PO date, attention contact details if applicable. Once all details are complete, click Save to register the delivery note or print to get a physical copy. This ensures accurate dispatch records and smooth tracking of customer deliveries in Infogate app. Welcome to the delivery note listing screen in Infogate app. This screen displays all your recorded delivery notes in a tabular format for quick reference. If you need to edit a delivery note, click the blue pencil icon under the Actions column. If you want to print a piping, click the printer icon next to it. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find a delivery note by searching delivery note number, invoice number, customer code, customer name, VAT number, branch, vehicle number, port number, item code or item name. This page makes it easy to review, manage, and correct delivery records, ensuring smooth operations and accurate documentation.